I and my group, we use Tineye to compare the images to know the fake one and the one that is a fact. I uploaded the picture. Then after uploading it, you had to display and the others had to look alike.
Exactly 28 results as they were. This first one was in Indian, that's why I'm not opening it. Even Yenia kit was in Indian. Even Ratopati, they were all in Indian. However, they were all, the beauty of Tineye, it also shows us the date of posting, 2nd December 2021. The one in English is the New York Post. It's here. However, the New York Post posted on the 7th of December 2021. And the video is on their page.
In that video, when you look at it, they are Indians, not Tanzanians. Yet, when you look at the plane, it's showing Tara Air, not War Emirates.
So our friend Fahad just went and picked one of these screenshots and posted as a meme. As you can see, these are not even Africans. So our boy Fahad saw that and decided to badmouth Tanzania Air.